So we are talking about the cooch. This is literally a brand new underwear tag sew on from Victoria's Secret. So I'm not nasty, y'all. Hey guys, it is Sage and welcome back to another video. This is going to be a bit different. I don't think I've ever done a video like this before. So I'm actually very excited to be working with this brand because it's not biased at all. They did send me a package, but I've actually purchased things from this company with my own money years ago, probably 3 years ago. And then they reached out to me this year for a sponsorship. And I'm like, wait, I've ordered from you guys before. So this is going to be very good. So we are talking about the cooch. I feel like a lot of people don't realize how easily your pH balance can be thrown off. It doesn't mean you're dirty. Vaginas are just annoying. It can be thrown off by sexual partners, changing your body wash, certain materials of your underwear. They're just so annoying. A lot of people go through things such as like BV, yeast infections. You know, you're human. So I'm working with NutraBlast. Again, I think I actually have it. 1 second. Focus. So these are my supplements I got from NutraBlast. I don't even remember when I bought this. Probably like 2 or 3 years ago. Maybe 2 years ago. And I still have them. So this just shows you that I purchased from this company with my own money before this video. They're amazing. Ignore this. I literally just recorded another video, so this is the shirt from that and some bummy shorts. I'm human. But opening this box here, especially designed for your intimate health. So in it they included suppositories. So as you can see, this one is brand new, sealed. There's still plastic on it. And this is the one I had from like 2 years ago. It was proof. I bought from this company before and they're amazing. But yeah, just having your pH balance off is just so annoying. And it's not even that it's your fault. Your pH balance can just be thrown off very easily and randomly. And for me, I wasn't feeling like myself. I was mad annoyed. I'm like, what the heck is going on? It can be from anything, as I said, sexual partners, body wash, anything, even your diet. So I was asking my gynecologist about it, you know, getting your pap smears and whatever. And I mentioned boric acid supplement because I was researching about it, and she actually told me no. She said no, I don't recommend it. But all of the reviews I was reading online were great. People were saying it helped them. So I just, you know, took the plunge and went ahead and got them, and they worked perfectly. Literally in like 3 days I was back to normal. And that was about 2 years ago. So I do still have some left in that pack, but it's good to have a new one just in case. You never know what could happen. They also included panty liners. I don't know if you guys are aware, but there are actually a lot of liners and pads and tampons that are not good for you with the material they're made out of. So I'm very glad to have these. These are organic cotton. And this also helps promote a healthy pH balance. They also include feminine pH strip tests. Did I say that right? Test strips. So if you feel like your pH balance may be off and you just don't feel like yourself, they have on their site the pH test strips, and you can just test your pH balance, and if it comes out a bit off, you know, you can use their suppositories to help you out. And then they also include these. So the first time I ordered from them, I didn't buy these. Yo, I think I have these too. I think I have some left over somewhere too, but I'm too lazy to get up. But the first time I ordered, I didn't buy them. I just didn't. But I bought them the second time, and they just make, it's like using a tampon basically. It's just a lot easier. You know what? I'm gonna get TMI right now. I feel so bad opening this because I already have one that's open, but you know, for the video, I'm going to use the one that they sent me. So with suppositories, you do not take them orally. Boric acid is extremely bad for you. It's toxic. You do not ingest it. It just goes up your vajay. Only. Do not ingest it. As you can see, they just look like regular pills. So I make sure to not put them anywhere around the pills and vitamins I take orally, because obviously you can read the label, but you never know, things can happen. I'd rather be safe than sorry. But even so, it does actually say Boric Life on the pill. My nails look good. I need to get them filled though. So what you do, obviously you cannot show you how I do this, but I'll give you a general idea. I don't even have to read the instructions because I remember how to do this from when I used it. And I don't use this regularly, just whenever I feel a bit off. It's like a factory reset for your vagina. So these are what the suppositories look like. As I said, it just looks like a tampon. And you just open it up and there's a little hole. Same kind of mechanism as a tampon. So you just pop the pill, focus, in the suppository. You insert it like you would a tampon, and then you just push the pill, the stick, and then as you can see, it pops the pill up. Very easy. You do it for 7 consecutive days in a row, preferably at night. That's when I would do it. And wear a pad or a liner. It resets your pH balance, but the suppository, what's in the pill, will leak out of you. So I just prefer to wear a liner. And it is better to do it at nighttime just because you'll be laying down. If you were up, it just has more of a chance to not stay up there. But yeah, thank you so much to NutraBlast. Like, I was so excited to collab with them. I was even talking to the person that reached out to me. I'm like, yo, I've bought your products before. They're bomb. So I was super happy to collab with them. Another thing, this is not even sponsored, but I don't use pH balance vaginal washes. I just use unscented Dr. Bronner's soap. And I got that from EC Beme. And it's great. Like, I feel so good. I just feel so good. I just feel like myself. But this is a godsend if you ever just feel like you need to reset, whether it's bad diet, sexual partners, anything that's just throwing off your pH balance. This is a lifesaver. Genuinely, it's an amazing product. But all of the info for this will be down below in the description box. As always, if there are any coupon codes they send me for you guys, they will also be down below. Thank you so much, guys, for watching this video. As always, it is Sage signing out. Peace. And today, I'm officially missing you. I thought that from this heartache I could escape, but I've run it long enough to know there ain't no way. And today I'm officially missing